Hi, I'm Joe at DIY Arch, and I've loved trucks since before I could walk. So that's why I started my DIY Arch channel. And for over 30 years, I've been driving and maintaining my own trucks, going off-road, to work, as well as on the jobs themselves. And for the past 10 months, I've been sharing my knowledge and experiences daily, right here on YouTube. Now, I've come across my fair share of off-road experiences, but I've always enjoyed sharing those experiences and what I've learned. From the mountains to the beaches, all this driving has allowed me to see some really cool places. But you know what? It's also let me experience some priceless memories. And so on my channel, what we do is my own DIYs, provide free maintenance guides and calendars to whoever needs them. And I give my educated but humorous opinion on all kinds of cool truck videos, wheels, tires, lift kits, whatever. We also have good hands-on videos to change your oil, check your tire pressure. I want to provide you with daily truck care, under the hood and behind the wheel. I want you guys to have a place to exchange great ideas, access for great information and fun videos, and enjoy priceless, lifelong information to help you and your truck run. So if that sounds good to you, and you enjoy watching fun videos and putting trucks to the test without getting dirty, come on over. Or if you're ready to get dirty, come see me at the DIY Arch channel. I'm there every day. And when you're there, make sure to subscribe, hit the notification for daily advice. We'll see you soon.